today's tutorial we quickly put this Excel sheet to the in ArcGIS Pro and to see how the annual precipitation generate the Excel map in the ArcGIS Pro. So be careful that you must be giving the data of the latitude and longitude data in the decimal format, not like the degree, minute, second. For example, if I show you, and for example, this is the degree, minute, second. So if I apply an OK and you go to your this area, so you can see it's a degree, minute, second. So this data is not acceptable. Mostly you can see the latitude, longitude will be the decimal degree format. So in this we go to the my ArcGIS Pro, and this you can click this XY format and put like this sheet of your of your of your folder, this sheet one, this one. And whenever you click it, so it will be giving the late long data. You can see it's a coordinate system will be WGS 1984 because it's the Pakistan, this area. So this is the coordinate system, and you give the your current map and run it. So it will be loaded in the data in the point format, so you can easily see it. Just wait a minute. Okay, it will be loaded our data, but be careful that you must be giving the data of this whole area. You can also giving the data by clicking this and copy this one and this one, but remember it will be like in the degree, minute, second format. So this one apply and okay. So whenever you click like this, and you can copy this one and this one easily. So be careful by degree, decimal. So they created my data and different points, so I want to cross it. And if you go to your data, and it if you need to export some extra like shape file, and you don't need the Excel sheet and everything else, so you go to your your again your folder too, and in this folder you can save it like precipitation of Indo Park. So like this kind, an environment will be like your current map, which is WGS 1984. So easily created your shape file. If I remove it both, yes, and go to your add data, so you can easily see it by going to this one and this SHP file. So if I OK it, so it will be loaded my data. Okay, so you can click this to generate a heat map and other like pin chart easily. So if I save it, you can see it. For example, if I firstly go to my 6 and okay, and apply it, so it will be this kind of setting. You can easily see it. Okay, so firstly this is the single symbol. If you go to your unique values, means different value represent different year. So okay, so firstly we go to my attribute table. For example, if I want to as like see the region state, so you can click it and region state, so it will be given the different region and different colors. You can change your color also, black and white. You can change your color in this format. You can individually change your color, it's very easy. So you can do everything in your annual precipitation of this area. Okay, so the unique value will be given in this. You can change any field like annual precipitation, and you can if you click this area, so it will be show the this is the annual, and this is the field 2030 West Bengal, and this is the annual precipitation. So you can also click from this area, and you can also click for like this area to the blue line will be visible, so you can easily see it. Now we try to next video. In the next video